which is the evaluation round. Okay, so I would like to, in fact, introduce Dolly Chopra, who will be conducting this. And well, when I asked Dolly that what did she learn from her favorite villain and his ideology, so she was quick to respond that she loved Kulbhushan Kharbanda's villain role as Shakal from the famous movie Shan. And it was very remarkable, and she can still remember his role very vividly, as he had an island full of sharks and crocodiles, which was so shocking to see it for the first time in a Bollywood movie. And the learning she took from that character was that we all should be ready with a backup plan when something doesn't work in our favor. On that note, I would like to spotlight Dolly Chopra and take us through. Over to you, Dolly.
Thank you, Team Award Sahil. Good
Yeah.
afternoon, everyone. As a general evaluator of the meeting, I have 3 duties to perform. First, to call the speech evaluators to give feedback to the speakers. Generally, evaluators have a CRC approach, that is comment, recommend, and comment method. Then I would call the tag team, that is timer, our counter, and grammarian, to present their reports. At the end, third, I would be presenting my report as a general evaluator for the meeting. First, I would like to call timer Saifuddin to read the timing guidelines for the evaluation session. So over to you, Saifuddin.
Yeah, thank you, Shal, to stop your speech, and thank you. Over to you, Sahil.
Yeah, thank you, Saifuddin. Now, to begin the evaluation session, I would like to invite Toastmaster Ankit to evaluate Toastmaster Ankita's speech. As you can figure out, both of them have the kind of similar name, Ankit and Ankita. There is only difference of one A alphabet in Ankita's name. So over to you, Toastmaster Ankit Dasgupta, for the evaluation for Ankita's speech.
For your speech too. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit, for the crisp speech. And now may I invite Parnita Fuloria, Toastmaster Parnita Fuloria, for evaluating Toastmaster Rohit Gupta's speech. So over to you, Parnita.
Is nudging me to say Mogembo Kushwa. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Yeah. Thank you, Parnita, for the detailed evaluation of Rohit's speech. And Toastmaster Adesh Dardi is very confident and seasoned Toastmaster. And to evaluate his speech, we have seasoned Toastmaster Avinash Sharma, who has won various championships and is a great Toastmaster at this club. So, with a round of applause, I would like to invite TM Avinash Sharma to present his evaluation speech on Adesh's speech. Thank you. Over to you, Avinash.
And all the very best for his next projects. Over to you, General Evaluator, Toastmaster Dolly.
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Avinash. It is always a pleasure to hear you. Now, to evaluate Toastmaster Santha's speech, she is from Oracle Club. To evaluate her speech, we have Toastmaster Erin with us. Toastmaster Erin, over to you. Hello. Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Erin, for the beautiful speech, describing everything about your speaker's speech. Yeah, now, ladies and gentlemen, now it's the end of the evaluation session. And now I would like to call upon Timer Saifuddin to read the timing report. Please, over to you, Toastmaster Saifuddin.
Yeah,
So we have two qualified for the
only
time guideline.
Ankit Deshgupta and Aaron Alveda.
Ankit and Aaron, they are qualified for the evaluation round. So, Hardik, can we have voting link first, or we can have report of our counter?
We have the voting link ready.
The voting link is ready. Yeah.
Launching polling.
Last 10 seconds for people who are left to vote. We close in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Over to you, Dolly.
Yeah. Thank you, Hardik. Yeah, can I invite our Toastmaster Karishma Mandal to give her report on our counter? Yeah. Thank you, Karishma. Thank you, Karishma, for the detailed report that you have drawn in the spreadsheet. And now, can I call upon the stage Toastmaster Hirak to present his report on as a grammarian?
Over to you, Dolly.
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Hirak, for the detailed presentation on the on your role as a grammarian. And now I would like to give my the voting link is open. No? We have already done the voting. Now I would like to give my report on the meeting. The meeting started on time, and kudos to you, Devashish, who acted as a Sergeant at Arms. And protocols were explained properly. While I have a complaint, Devashish, that no brunch was served as it was an online meeting. And I believe that feedback is a brunch for all champions. So Zoom Master also in the beginning gave us technical instructions. So thank you, Zoom Master Amrit. Going to presiding officer, he had a very insightful story as always, a brilliant story for to share with us, to carry the message that he wanted to convey to us. But there was one thing that guest introduction was not done at the beginning, which was later done in the TMOD session. TMOD chose a very good theme on real life villains, and he was the right person to do this. I think he had done some acting course also, so he could portray the role, the voice, modulation, everything about the villains in a beautiful way. And Toastmaster TMOD Sahil took us in the olden times by discussing about the real life villains. He introduced us again and refreshed our memory with villains like Gabbar Singh of Sholay, Crime Master Gogo, Shakti Kapoor, Mogambo, and he mentioned about the real life villain of today, that is coronavirus. And yeah, it wouldn't be hypocrite if I mentioned that Prem Chopra and Amrish Puri, though they acted as villains in their movies, but they were in real life, they were very genuine, benevolent, philanthropist people. And if we now go to the table topic master session, so table topic master Mumtaz Sheikh took us through her session in a brilliant way. She had some phrases in her mind that she shared as a table topic with people. And I feel that there should be a mix of some easy and tough topics so that everybody can participate. And because it's not take of everyone to take that topic in their stride. Yeah, and then yes, for the tag team, Timer, R Counter, and Grammarian, they explained their role very well. They had their slides ready, and there was no time wastage on it. They shared their screens well in time. It was very, it was easily readable, and the font was broad, and I like that. What about next? We had prepared speaker session that went very well with the team on. We had one special speaker, Santhya from the Oracles Club. She completed her milestone speech, and Namrata introduced us to the interactive session, an educational session. Overall, the meeting went very well. Everybody, now I think that MTM has set this standard high and the benchmark high for other clubs, because it's an excellent work, very well done by everyone, and a great job done by our Toastmaster Sahil Alva to take us to the through his theme. So these were all constructive feedbacks for the evaluators. They were all good in their capacity. Everybody gave the best evaluation speech that they could give, and it's a pleasure to be part of MTM when I attend these sessions. And these evaluators were really an inspiration to all of us. And transition between the speakers was very smooth. There was no lag. All in all, it was a great meeting. So over to you, Hardik.
Sahil.
Sahil, so Team Out Sahil, over to you.